This food is so. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is so incredibly delicious. You guys have to try this amazing biryani. The mutton curry is perfectly tender.
Oh wow, this is absolutely incredible. The fish is so tender. You have got to try this. So much flavor.
This fish curry is absolutely incredible. This is absolutely delicious.
This is so incredibly delicious and rich. I love this spice.